What's up, creatives? Ready to take your designs to the next level? Today, we're diving into an AI tool that's going to supercharge your creative process. We're talking stock images, posters, and even content creation. So, let's get this party started. Say hello to Stockimg.ai, your new secret weapon. It's an AI-based tool that's going to save you hours of work and let your creativity soar. Imagine this: you want a unique image or a killer poster. You just describe your vision, hit a button, and bam! It's right there in front of you. Let's check out how to generate stock images. Just feed in your image idea, like a woman enjoying coffee in a modern living room, hit generate, and sit back. And there you go. A custom, high-quality image just as you imagined. Time for posters. Need one for an event, a promotion, or social media? Just give Stockimg.ai the details and watch it work its magic. And just like that, you've got a professional quality poster ready to rock and roll. And guess what? Stockimg.ai isn't just a pretty face. It can write, too. Feed it keywords, tone, and purpose, and you'll get a piece of engaging copy in seconds. Talk about a time saver. The creative possibilities are endless. With almost 850,000 users and nearly 1 million images generated, Stockimg.ai has proven to be a versatile tool for all kinds of designs. It's not just a tool, it's a dream machine for creatives. Just look at these stunning AI-made images. Book covers, wallpapers, stock images, illustrations, you name it, Stockimg.ai creates it. So there it is, folks. Your ticket to fast, easy, and stunning designs with Stockimg.ai. Remember, the more specific your descriptions, the better your results. Now go and let your creativity run wild. Found this video helpful? Smash that like button and share it with your creative crew. And don't forget to subscribe for more design magic.